Dive into simple prepositions, the building blocks of English grammar. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to explore an essential part of English grammar, simple prepositions. These are the tiny words that connect and relate different elements in our sentences. So, buckle up and let's dive right into the world of simple prepositions. Simple prepositions are one-word prepositions used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. They usually indicate time, place, direction, or manner. Examples of simple prepositions include at, by, for, from, in, of, on, to, with, and many others. These simple prepositions play a key role in English, helping us to express complex ideas in a clear and concise way. Let's take a closer look at some examples of these simple prepositions in action. 1. At. This preposition is often used to indicate specific times and locations. Example: I'll meet you at 5 p.m. We're at the park. 2. By. This preposition can be used to show the person doing an action or the method used to do something. Example: This painting was made by Van Gogh. I came here by bus. 3. For. We use for to specify a purpose or reason. Example: This gift is for you. I've been studying for the test. And the list goes on. Each simple preposition has its own set of rules and unique ways they can be used. Now that we've seen some examples, it's time for you to practice using simple prepositions. Try making sentences using at, by, and for. This hands-on practice will really help these concepts to stick. That wraps up our introduction to simple prepositions. Remember, these small words hold significant power in shaping our sentences and expressing our thoughts. I hope this video has made understanding simple prepositions a little easier. Stay tuned for more English grammar fun.